Hey guys, I'm in a building called Bangsue Junction, which is at the Kampang Pet MRT subway station. This is the ground level, by the way. That's the street out there. Anyways, this shop here has a lot of premium diecast, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. And we're talking some big scales as well. Big trucks there, a building by Tiny. But here we go. Street Weapon, Hobby Japan, Ano 64s, Time Model, Time Micro, some 43rd scales up here. Then this is Stance Hunter stuff and Ano 64 stuff. Then we have Tarmac Works Hobby stuff here. Some limited edition stuff up there. Over here we have a whole bunch of ignition, the resin ones, 404 error resins, and then the regular diecast ignitions. Bunch of TLVs and regular Tomicas. Oh, there's a new Shuko resin. That truck actually looks okay. If you watch my other Shuko resin reviews, they're not very good. Okay, so this row here, a bunch of the cute cars I bought from this store before. Fuel Me, so these are really nice resins. And then a whole bunch of mini GTs, probably the best models for their price range. Down here we have Power 64s. Some more resin models and also Kyoshos. So these are the crystal box Kyoshos. Oh, yeah, I bought one of these here already. Some exclusives. Those are a Malaysia exclusive Honda police car. This is a YM model. Yeah, resin. And then I guess again into motorcycles. They didn't have motorcycles before, but these are too big for me to collect, I think. Protar. Doesn't say a scale, which is really weird. Ilary, I've heard of that. They're a model company. They make plastic model kits. Alright, we're not done. Then we just have some cool dioramas for him to show off. That reminds me of like the Fast and Furious. It's a big Mini right there. Resin models, more resin models, some bigger scales. Alright, so yeah, they're definitely a well-stocked shop. I'll try to find like a Facebook or something. We'll see if I can leave something in the comments. Well, I thought I'd take a shot of the outside of the building for you guys because you've probably never been to this area before. But there it is. Pretty big. Bunch of red stripes on it. There's JJ Mall way out there. That's part of Well, basically everything over here on that other side of the street is called Chatuchak. It's the world's largest outdoor market, but there's 2 shopping malls inside the outdoor market. And then down there is the subway station called Kampeng Phet. So, okay.